Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be discussing on how to solve content monetization policy issues. On my previous video, I hinted what content monetization policy issues is. So on today's video, I'm going to deeply go into how to solve this problem if you have it on your page. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Justice Chibike. On this channel, I teach Facebook growth and monetization. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and give this video a thumb up so that other people will see this video. Facebook content monetization policy can be caused by a lot of things. So it is very paramount and important that we understand what may be the cause of this violation on our page. This will make it easier for us to resolve this issue on our page. So if you have this violation on your page, the first thing for you to do is to check your page thoroughly to determine if there is an alert or the cause of this violation sent to you by Facebook. For you to do this easily, I am going to be displaying these sections that I'm going to be mentioning on this page on my screen. Right, so you can always look at them here as I am mentioning them so that it will be easy for you to navigate your page and get to these sections faster. Right, so the first place to check is your support inbox. In your support inbox, Facebook normally sends alert to creators to inform them of something they did wrong. Maybe someone launched a copyright on a video you posted or something you posted, or maybe something you posted is not supported on Facebook. You will always see the alert on your support inbox section as it's displaying on your screen here. So this will enable you know if there is any alert for you to take action on. So per adventure you see any alert in your support section, just go ahead and take actions like deleting the videos. Whether it's your video or not, just delete them. So the second place to check on your page is the flagged content section. You can see on my screen what it looks like. All right, go ahead and delete them. Don't say they are my original videos and I'm not going to delete them. Delete them. Facebook knows why they flagged it. You cannot beat Facebook algorithm. And the third place to look at on your page is violation. As I have taught on this channel, there are different violations on Facebook, ranging from nudity to abuse and reused content. The rest of them, there are many violations on Facebook. So check for possible violations. If they are the ones that you can solve yourself by deleting those videos, go ahead and delete them. But if you cannot solve them, reach out to Facebook and probably they are going to solve it. The other place to check on your page is your account status. So go and check your account and see if you have strong restrictions on your account that you are using to operate this page. So if you have it, what you will do is give another account access to this page and remove that account from that page for the meantime. Okay, before the account you used to operate a page did not have effect on pages, but nowadays I see that most cases when I remove the account that is used to operate a page that has multiple restrictions, the performance of this page starts to increase. Even the monetization issues will disappear. The last place for you to look at on your page is your videos. You are the one that posted your videos, so you know if they are original or not. Remember, I have always highlighted on this channel that well-edited contents are also original contents if you edit them very well. However, the shortcomings is that some videos that you react on, if the person has turned on Rights Manager, it will be flagged as a copyright content. When you look at your video, for instance, let's say that you create your original content and you still have content monetization policy. What you are going to do is go back to your videos, okay? If there are ones that used a lot of jingles or a lot of all these sounds on, delete them. And then go back to when you started creating content and remove some content from your old videos. And when you do this, you know that you are set, provided that you create your own original content. And for those that do reaction videos, what you are going to do is that take out many videos as you can on your page, especially those ones that played the reaction videos more. Okay, take them out from your page. The last place for you to look at on your page is your videos. You are the one that posted your videos, so you know if they are original or not. Remember, I have always highlighted on this channel that well-edited contents are also original contents if you edit them very well. However, the shortcomings is that some videos that you react on, if the person has turned on Rights Manager, it will be flagged as a copyright content. So if you are not sure of the source or the video that you reacted on, then consider that video not original. All right. So when you look at your video, for instance, let's say that you create your original content and you still have content monetization policy. What you are going to do is go back to your videos. Okay. If there are ones that used a lot of jingles or a lot of all these sounds on, delete them, and then go back to when you started creating content and remove some contents. Remove some content from your old videos. When you do this, you know that you are set, provided that you create your own original content. After you are done removing these videos on your page, we are going to go straight to the troubleshooting proper. So for you to start troubleshooting your page, the first thing you need to do is to report a problem on Facebook. And to do this, follow the prompt on my screen, and you are going to report to Facebook. Now, when you are writing Facebook through the report a problem section, include a screenshot of the Facebook content monetization policy section in your report. And then when you are writing Facebook, tell them that you follow Facebook content monetization policy, that you have no violations on your page, but yet your content monetization policy section has not been ticked. Right, be very polite when you are writing Facebook. You can start by saying, "Hello Facebook team." Then you explain what happened to your page to them and add a link to your page in that report. If possible, get your page ID and include it on that report. Now, when you have done this, this is not the only thing you are expected to do. Go to Meta Business Suite. Go and write Facebook an email, a very long email that explains everything you are going through. When you do it, send it to Facebook. They will reply you within some time, right? So if you have the option to also chat Facebook on your account in Business Suite, start a conversation with them, or mention or send your page link to them through the chat, all right? And they are going to start troubleshooting your page. So this is generally how to solve this issue. However, if you also have the privilege to have an agent that works for Facebook, it makes the whole issue very easier, because like myself, I have an agent that I can talk to and explain my client's issue to, and they will attend to me faster. So if you have an agent, you can talk to them and this problem will be lifted from your page within some weeks. If you still have more questions about content monetization policy issue and you have done this thoroughly as I taught on this video, and within some weeks this violation is still on your page, you can drop a comment below or reach out to me via WhatsApp, and we are going to take it off from there, and this violation will be lifted from your page. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always sharing. Thank you for your support. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibike.